Intending candidate of INC Thongju constituency Seram Neken demanded in a press conference the immediate release of ward member M Lekhajit without any conditions. Seram Neken explained that the incident took place on October 24th at Singjumai Mongkhang Lambi when supporters of Work Minister Thongjam Biswajit clashed with workers of his constituency over trivial issues related with the upcoming assembly election. He further continued the Singjumai police issued a summon to arrest 7 workers of INC, and the following day, 25th October, the police arrested ward member M Lekhajit. He urged the concerned officials to arrest offenders from the BJP as well, as it is the right thing to do. He questioned why the Singjumai police is used as a weapon of the serving MLA of Thongju constituency TH Biswajit, and appealed to CM N to introspect closely and take the right decision without any discrimination based on political party. He warned there will be a strong reaction from other political units if the issue is not addressed appropriately.
Free and the fair election Torakanda, Achumba saying leader Miam Yabdu, Kanji having the Makta, Prazamamji, Loin Mahora Abduzixi, Loyana Rabani. Tanzaz is the Manipur, Masel Power Sinaraga. Board Komaga, Masai, Zabakatan Tiva, Levaki, Tabak, Tony the Kangdaba, a Sauron Pamba, Adung Melissa Sazase, Tungju the Topusi, Topiro, Madugi Zuxi Loire, Huzik, Haiba Apilzi Tozeraga, Aigidamantadi, Matang Solution Zerage.